I'm going to go over one of these uncertain groups drills, one of the examples here, number 2. Okay, so if you could have that open while I'm going through it, I'm going to just do it on a separate page here. Okay, so the first and third dishes are the only ones with F. Okay, so F is only going to be in 2 dishes, and it's going to be in the first one and the third one. And then because it's not going to be in 2, 4, or 5, we know that they can't have all 4 ingredients. And add that they can't have F up there. Okay, so that's rule 1 in blue. Rule 2 in the green, the second and third dishes are the only ones with H. H. And then everybody else can't have H. Okay, and H is twice. Okay, and then the third and the fourth dishes have the same number of ingredients. Okay, so we know that the third dish has 2 ingredients, and we know that the maximum for the fourth dish is 2 ingredients. So we are going to have to say that for sure the fourth one has 2, and the third one has 2 as well. Okay, and because the fourth one doesn't have F or H, it must have G and J. So those orange markings are for that third rule. Okay, so we can compare that to this diagram for 2 over here. Okay, and we've got the same thing here, right? The same results. You just put the H and F stuff at the bottom rather at the top. But yeah, this way you can see which deductions I made based on which rules. So hopefully that does make it a little bit easier. 3, he uses some different shapes. So that one might be a little bit challenging. But yeah, rather than using those shapes, you can do what we did for like the initial example, if you remember. So let's just quickly deal with that rule. So it's that the first and the third have the same number of ingredients, but none of the same ingredients. Okay, so if they don't have any of the same, we could write it like the rule up here rather than doing the different shapes. Okay, so that's something you might come across when you do that third one. Okay, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, good luck.